Bonjour and welcome to Easy French Cooking. Would you like to learn a delicious, dead easy, super quick and inexpensive avocado recipe? I'm Victor and today we are going to learn how to prepare a tasty avocado vinaigrette in less than 1 minute. Let's go! Okay, ingredients. All you need for this recipe for 2 people is a nice big ripe avocado, and for the vinaigrette, extra virgin olive oil. Any olive oil will do, but extra virgin is nicer. Balsamic vinegar. You can use basic red wine vinegar, but I prefer balsamic. Salt, pepper, and Wholegrain French Dijon mustard. It doesn't have to be whole grain. You can use standard Dijon if you prefer. Again, it's a matter of taste. Maybe try both options and see what you prefer. Some lemon, as it's quite nice with a little drop of lemon juice. That's just a little extra, so if you don't have any lemon, it's no big deal. And now the gear. Well, you only need 3 really basic utensils for this. A chopping board, a sharp knife, and a teaspoon. And that's all, seriously. First of all, rinse the avocado under cold water. Then get rid of that little bit sticking out and cut it in half. Remove that big fat stone and here is your half avocado with a stupid hole in the middle. But that's the trick. You won't even need to peel the avocado, as you are going to use that hole and make your vinaigrette directly in it. First, you fill half of the hole with olive oil. Then add a drop of vinegar, season with salt and pepper. Next, you add the mustard. I'd say about 1/3 of a teaspoon, to a half. Yeah, I tend to put a little bit more. I like it. Stir a little bit. Lastly, squeeze a few drops of lemon juice. Stir the mixture in the hole. And voila! Your avocado vinaigrette is ready to serve in less than 1 minute. It's so easy it should be illegal. Serve it as it is on a plate and scoop it with a teaspoon. You simply eat it like that. Bon appétit. Lovely. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned a thing or two about preparing a delicious starter in virtually no time. So if you did, please click on the like button and leave a comment. If you would like, we have more cool recipes for all occasions. So to keep on developing your skills in homemade French cooking, hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. À bientôt!